Hi everybody and welcome to our exercise tutorials. So today we are doing side lunge to curtsy into the Cossack squat. This is an amazing strength and flexibility combo, and it's so worth to try it because it will increase your flexibility and mobility while doing this exercise, and also strengthen your glutes, your inner thighs, and it will open your hips. So how this exercise goes. So first we're going to do the curtsy lunge, which is great for our inner thighs and gluteus medius. So shoulders back, engaging your core. We're going to step diagonally across your body backwards, so like a lunge, but cross body lunge. And then we're going to step to the side lunge, like so. So both feet facing forward. Try not to buckle your foot like this because it's gonna create instability in your knee joint. Then you're gonna come back up and we're gonna perform curtsy again. Make sure that you're not rotating your hips as well. Have them straight. And then we're gonna go into the Cossack squat, down, if your flexibility allows you. Don't worry, I will break it down how you actually can practice this move. And then you come back up, engage the muscles in your leg and push yourself back to the center. And of course, you perform equal amount of reps on the other side. So straight into the curtsy. First, side lunge, push your hips back as much as you can, curtsy, and then again into the deep Cossack squat. Come back up and stand up. All right. If you have difficulties with your side lunges, so we can also go into the wider stance. And first, just practice this move, side to side. Push your hips back, and you perform this move first. Okay. If you would like to practice your Cossack squat, you can actually go on your toes if you can't go on your heels, and then just slowly move side to side. Lift up your toes here, move to the other side, and use your hands and arms to help you with the transition. Yeah, of course you can go on your toes because you have to create your create your ankle stability first as well. Just practice this move. Okay. And there is another way how you can actually practice your Cossack squat. Let's say you need some support. You can also hold on into a pillar like this, or a chair, something that is stable and sturdy. Or you can also use the band to help you stabilize the position. TRX would be also a great option. So here you can just perform the side lunge, hold on to something, lower yourself down as much as you can, and then just pull yourself back up and go to the other side and go on to the other side. So this will help you with this exercise. Like I said before, this is one of really good exercises to open up your hips, to work on this strength of the legs, of the glutes. It's great for your stability and mobility of your ankles, and is an amazing exercise. If you combine it with the curtsy lunges, into the side lunges, and then into the Cossack squat, you will be just amazing. I hope you will like this exercise routine. Make sure that you practice, and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I see you next time. Ciao.